welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the details and how to install this full lace hand-tied braided knotless wig in 36 inches, so it's to your booty, okay? And I tried to make it look as natural as possible for you guys so you guys can repeat this style if you'd like and try it out for yourself. But yeah, y'all, if y'all don't want to sit through a 7-hour braided situation, or you just want to wear something real quick to the store, something you can just throw on, something real quick for your birthday, for the weekend, you know, this is the wig for you. So yeah, you guys, and this wig was only $139, really cheap, and you're definitely getting a bang for your buck compared to sitting down and getting the whole situation done. And yeah, so let's get into it, y'all. I'm going ahead and doing my bald cap method here. I'm using my Ebon Wonder lace spray, spraying that around my cap. And I don't know why I forgot what I was about to say. Like, clearly, you know what you're doing. But yeah, my blow drying that on a cool high setting until it is all the way dried down. Then I'm going to take my scissors here and cut off all the extra cap. Oh, my bad, y'all. I got my words mixed up. I had said the wig is $139. It's actually $189, which is still way cheaper than getting knotless braids done, unless you have to do them yourself. That's another story. But yeah, you guys, now that that cap is cut off, I'm taking my Ruby Kisses HD foundation in the shade, what is it, espresso? Yeah, it's espresso. And I'm taking my makeup brush here and I'm just taking that all over the cap. I took it all the way around the cap, you guys. Since this is a braided full lace wig, I wanted the back to even show scalp as well and show the brownness of my skin. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the inside of it. I went ahead and cut off those extra 2 clips right there so it can be a more comfortable fit on my head. But yeah, now that this wig is on, I'm going to cut around my ear tabs as I usually would do with the frontal wig. But my dumbass, excuse my language, but my dumbass, I definitely shouldn't have cut off this braid right here because it kind of messed up the flow of the install and the baby hairs and how the wig laid. Thankfully, I didn't do it on the other side because I kind of realized, like, wait, it shouldn't look like this, but it wasn't really fitting my head too well. Now, y'all shouldn't deal with this issue. I have like a really petite head. So, yeah, y'all shouldn't have to go through this, but I'm showing you guys my trials and tribulations. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this, even though I really wish I didn't have to, but I did because the wig was not fitting. I wish I could have gave you guys a better view of what I did on the left side, but the way that my situation is set up right now, I'm in my new apartment, y'all. And I'm recording my bathroom because this is a long wig and I didn't want to sit down and do this install, so I stood up so you guys can really see the full situation of the wig. So excuse that, y'all, my apologies in advance, but I went ahead and did this in the bathroom. Anyways, taking my scissors and I'm just trying to cut in a zigzag motion right above where the baby hairs start. And I'm not trying to get like the most perfect cut either because the baby hairs are going to be all over this install. While I'm cutting off this lace, I do want to tell you guys a little bit about this hair. So like I said, this is from Fancivivi Wigs. This is a 36-inch hand-tied full lace unit. This hair is synthetic. I'm not sure if the baby hair part was synthetic too. I don't know. But this wig comes in this black color. It comes in a burgundy color, ombre brown, and honey blonde. So it's a nice little variety for what you got going on with what you get. And the way that I see the color set up on the website, it actually looks really neat and nice. So definitely check that out if you're into spicing it up a little bit, switching the look up a little bit. But yeah, just finishing this part here, then we're going to get into the next step. This right here is an example of why I tell you guys in every video to make sure to clean off your skin, whether it be with sea breeze, witch hazel, rose water, acipral alcohol, because my cap is off on the other side. But we're going to keep pushing through, thugging. It really didn't make a difference, honestly, since I put makeup all up in through the actual wig, like on the lace and the inside. But yeah, I'm just taking my Ebon Wonder lace spray and I'm spraying that around and I'm going to blow dry that until it's tacky. That only took like 15 seconds. Once that's dry, I'm going to put the lace down where I see fit. I didn't want it to be too low on my forehead because I haven't had braids in a long time, and I wanted it to mimic my natural hair and my natural like hairline. So I went ahead and put it where it should be naturally. So yeah, I'm just taking this, blow drying it on with my blow dryer, and that side didn't lay down too well, so I took some more of the Evan Wonder lace spray and I'm going to stick that down, blow dry until it is good. And yeah, let's get into the baby hairs. This install is really easy and really simple to do. This took me 30 minutes, cut down into an 8-minute video. Okay, but yeah, this was a breeze, honestly. But what I was going for with the baby hairs, I wanted them to look really natural but still super dramatic, you know, which is only a certain level of naturalness you can reach when it comes to a braided wig. Because, you know, like on TikTok and just in real life, people will say, I can tell that's a wig, that's a wig, that's a wig, that's a wig, which that's fine. You can know that it's a wig, but it's gonna look put together to the best of my ability, right? So yeah, y'all, I took my Nairobi holding foam. I didn't want to use edge control or something liquid and that would dry down hard or like super flat, because that would kind of combat the naturalness. It wouldn't look super natural. So I went ahead and just did the foam for the baby hairs today. But yeah, you guys, I'm just using the technique. I was looking in the mirror just trying to mimic natural baby hairs for a wig, but still dramatic, kind of like that Desi Dior vibe. You know, she does really dramatic baby hairs. Yeah, I'm just using the comb side of my edge brush and my finger to just swoop everything into place. I went ahead and added some more Nairobi foam as I was going because it was drying down pretty fast, and like lifting upside to go through and really get it set into place. But yeah, you guys, once I figured out the motion of the ocean for these baby hairs, they were all set and ready to go. Now, I didn't love them, but I wasn't mad at it either. I cut off that little piece there, and that is pretty much the completed look of what it came out to. I was feeling it, but I wasn't feeling the middle part, not even a little bit. So I was playing around with it, trying to see what it looked like flipped over. But the way that the wig is set up, it didn't really look the best just flipped over like that. So I went ahead and decided to do a quick little style. So I was like, okay, let me grab these two pieces like that, do a little tweaking and tie that on up for a look. I pushed them down a little bit over just because I wanted them to look a little bit messy, not too perfect. And then y'all grab those two pieces over there, or three. Yeah, there were three. And boom, tied it up with my hair tie, and it was really cute. I was like, okay, I'm feeling this now for sure. I grabbed a mirror to make sure I liked how it was looking in the back, and I was pleased. So this is the finished outcome and look of this tutorial and wig. Make sure to check the description box for the information on this hair, information on me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.